he hot?
He is so hot.
How to increase your sexual market value as man? That's a question many of you ask. So in this video, I will unveil 8 such ways to increase your sexual market value. If you master the second last one, I bet you will become immortal. Before that, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Increasing your sexual market value SMV as a man involves improving various aspects of yourself that contribute to your overall attractiveness and desirability. Here are some strategies. 1. Master the art of intimacy. If you want to enhance your SMV, become a master of intimacy and devote time and energy to learning how to give women what they want in the bedroom. Far too many men refuse to put in the basic effort to satisfy their partners. 2. Use your personal attire to amplify attraction. What you wear reflects your personality, status, and sexual market value. Understanding the art of attire is crucial for making a solid first impression and optimizing your attractiveness. 3. Master the silent art of alpha male body language. Men who master body language can convey confidence and charisma without opening their mouths. Standing tall with your shoulders back and your head held high tells the people around you that you have confidence and presence. 4. Financial independence. Many men think that the more zeros they have at the end of their bank account, the more marketable they will be with the opposite sex. But wealth is not something that should not be overlooked. 5. Build emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the key to any successful relationship, romantic or otherwise. It's seeing things from the other person's perspective and expressing understanding through empathy. 6. Turn on the charm, but not too much. If you want to increase your SMV, then turn on the charm. Being charming might not come easy, but if you practice giving compliments, smiling a lot, and telling girls what they want to hear, then you boost your overall SMV greatly. 7. Be partner material. The problem is that there is a fine line to walk when it comes to being someone's partner, and being in the friend zone. The partner material factor is all those things that would make you the most awesome partner ever without being clingy or needy. 8. Communication skills. Work on your communication skills, both verbal and non-verbal. Practice effective communication, assertiveness, and the ability to express yourself clearly and confidently. Remember that increasing your SMV is not about changing who you are fundamentally, but rather about maximizing your potential and becoming the best version of yourself. Focus on self-improvement, authenticity, and being true to your values and beliefs.